Banff National Park. Banff National Park is more than just a destination. It is a true Canadian icon nestled in the heart of the majestic Rockies. But beyond its famous peaks and the bustling streets, there are hidden gems that visitors often overlook. And one such peaceful treasure is the Cascade of Time Gardens, right in the heart of Banff town. In today's video, we will spend a perfect day exploring this beautiful lesser known spot, a place where nature, color, and calm come together. Right away, you see this beautiful old stone building at the top. This is the Banff Administration Building, also known as Parks Canada's headquarters. The surrounding gardens were built in 1930s and they are a classic example of a rock garden. This building itself is a National Historical Site representing the birth of Canadian National Parks system. We have made it to the top. Stand here by the administration building. You have a panoramic picture postcard view of the town below and the massive majestic mountains all around you. This is one of the most picture perfect spots in Banff, a true paradise for photography lovers, where every angle feels like a postcard come to life. While the iconic lakes get most of the attention, the heart of Banff townside holds its own unique charms. The Cascade of Time Gardens is truly a hidden gem in Banff, quietly resting on the slopes of Tunnel Mountain near Banff Avenue viewpoint. These gardens are a beautiful example of the classic rustic architecture style, blending nature and design perfectly. What makes them special is the series of beautifully landscaped terraces that step gracefully up the hillside, filled with colorful flowers, flowing water, and peaceful walkways, a perfect spot to relax and enjoy Banff's natural charm. Cascade of Gardens is not a vast botanical garden, but an intimate, peaceful oasis. Meandering stone pathways wind through vibrant flower beds past quiet ponds and under charming archways. The use of local stone and natural landscaping makes it feel perfectly integrated into the mountain environment. The flower beds here are a vibrant celebration of color and life, bursting the shades of pink, purple, yellow, and white that seem to dance under the sunlight. Each bloom adds its own charm, creating a beautiful mosaic that enhances the garden's natural elegance. Most of these blossoms are perennials, returning year after year to keep the landscape alive and ever inviting. Their gentle fragrance and vivid hues fill the air with freshness, making this spot a perfect place to pause and admire nature's artistry. The bigger question here is, why visit the Cascade of Time Gardens? Well, yes, it is a fantastic spot for photography, but there is so much more to it. The beautifully designed terraces offer an elevated and mesmerizing view of Banff Avenue, the lively heart of the town stretching gracefully across the Bow River. From here, you can capture not only the vibrant garden but also the stunning backdrop of surrounding mountains, creating a perfect blend of nature and town charm that makes this place truly special. Just across the Bow River from here lies Banff Avenue, the vibrant heart of Banff town, with the majestic Cascade Mountain towering at the end of the street. Every view feels picture perfect. The venue is lined with cozy cafes, boutique shops, and rustic restaurants that beautifully reflect the charm of this mountain paradise. My lens focuses on the vibrant expanse nestled between the cultivated beauty of Cascades of Time Gardens and the bustling storefronts of Banff Avenue. This is not merely a static green space, it is the community's living room, a stage for celebrations, and a canvas for local life.
We know the crying's not a bad thing.
All year around, this park turns into a lively gathering spot. Some days it hosts a cheerful farmers market with fresh produce, crafts, and wildflowers. Other times it is filled with fairs, music, and local celebrations, all set against the stunning backdrop of the Rockies, capturing the true spirit of Banff. This park is more than just a venue. It is a dynamic intersection where the soul of the community is most vividly on display, offering a rich, ever-changing tapestry of local flavor and festivity. As the sun sets behind the peaks, golden light spills over the mountains and streets, wrapping the town in a warm, magical glow. It is that perfect moment when nature and life blend beautifully, reminding you why Banff is called the heart of the Canadian Rockies, where every sunset feels unforgettable. Thank you very much for joining us on this lovely journey through the Cascade of Time Gardens in Banff. We hope you enjoyed its beauty and calm as much as we enjoyed capturing it for you. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel Ultimate Images. Your support helps us keep sharing more inspiring travel stories. Until next time, keep exploring and stay inspired.